A fragile pause in hostilities appears to be holding across West Asia after days of heightened tensions between Iran and Israel. The latest escalation raised fears of a wider regional conflict. It also threatened to derail a ceasefire framework that has largely held for nearly 2 months. The recent tensions began after an Israeli airstrike in Beirut. The strike targeted positions linked to Hezbollah. Iran responded by launching ballistic missiles towards northern Israel. Israeli authorities said air defense system intercepted many of the incoming projectiles. Israel then carried out retaliatory strikes on targets believed to be linked to Iran. The exchanges sparked concerns of a broader military confrontation across the region. While direct attacks have slowed for now, both sides remain on high alert. Military forces continue to maintain heightened readiness. Officials from both countries have warned that the situation remains volatile. Diplomatic efforts are now intensifying. International leaders and regional partners are working to prevent further escalation. Their immediate goal is to preserve the fragile calm and avoid a wider conflict. Meanwhile, tensions remain high on other fronts. Israeli officials said the missile was intercepted over the Red Sea. No casualties or damage were reported. In another development, a United States Army helicopter reportedly crashed near the Strait of Hormuz. Reports said the pilot survived the incident. The exact cause of the crash has not yet been confirmed. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu said the situation involving Iran is currently under control. However, he warned that any future aggression would receive a strong response. Israeli Defense Minister also reiterated that military operations against Hezbollah in Lebanon would continue. He said Israel would act against threats to its security whenever necessary. The humanitarian situation in Gaza remains a major concern. The United Nations has again expressed alarm over restrictions on aid deliveries. According to the UN, the closure of key border crossings continues to limit access to essential supplies. Humanitarian agencies say conditions for civilians remain extremely difficult. Iran has maintained that lasting de-escalation depends on an end to Israeli military operations in both Gaza and Lebanon. Iranian officials have called for a broader political solution to reduce tensions in the region. The United States is also engaged in diplomatic efforts. President Donald Trump said negotiations aimed at stabilizing the situation have reached a critical stage. He suggested that progress may be possible in the coming days. Reports indicate that Washington has urged restraint from all sides. Trump has also reportedly cautioned Israeli leaders against actions that could trigger another round of escalation. For now, the guns have largely fallen silent. However, the underlying issues remain unresolved, with military forces still on alert and tensions simmering across multiple fronts. The situation in West Asia remains delicate and uncertain. Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe the channel.